Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we will walk you through the quick and easy process of creating a new contact in Salesforce. Whether you're building out customer profiles or logging key stakeholders or simply managing your address book more efficiently, learning how to add contacts is essential for any Salesforce user. When you're done learning how to create contacts in Salesforce, we've got another video coming up that will show you how to increase your overall Salesforce efficiency while reducing license costs. It introduces a new rebate program that allows you to take some of the money from your Salesforce license that you spend every year and use that for training and consulting. So please be sure to check that out at the end of the video. Now let's dive in. So from anywhere in Salesforce, click the app launcher, or sort of the grid in the upper left corner of the screen, and type contacts in the search bar and select contacts from that list. Now that you're on the contacts homepage, click the new button at the top right. This opens up the contact creation form. You'll now see a screen where you can fill in all the details of the new contact. Some of the most commonly used fields include the first name, the last name, which is required, the account name, which is the lookup field to the account, the email, phone, the title, mobile, and the mailing address. You may also see custom fields based on your company's Salesforce configuration, and go ahead and fill those out as needed. Once you've entered the relevant information, scroll down and click Save. And that's it. Your new contact is now created in Salesforce. Now after saving, you can do other things with this contact, like logging a call, creating a task or an event, adding notes, files, or attachments, or associating the contact with a campaign. That includes adding the contact to a list view for easy tracking. If the contact is tied to an account, navigate to that account record and you'll see the contact listed in the contacts related list. This makes it easy to manage all your stakeholders from one single view. And you've now successfully created a new contact in Salesforce. Managing contacts effectively means your sales, service, and marketing teams stay aligned and informed. And Salesforce makes that process fast and easy. Now we've just scratched the surface today. On the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. I've also included a link to our 5-minute video that will walk you through 3 strategies to increase Salesforce results and reduce Salesforce costs, including the rebate program that I mentioned a moment ago that allows you to use some of the money from your Salesforce license costs to invest in training and consulting. Please check out that How to Maximize Salesforce video and spend just a few more minutes of your precious time with us. We promise to help you take Salesforce to a whole nother level in your company. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.